Hello guys! Ayan, mega love shoutout sa inyo lahat. Sa ating video po for today, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang aking ginagawang antibiotic. Homemade antibiotic. Ayan. So, ayan guys. So, as you can see, meron po tayo ditong ginger or luya. Meron tayo ditong onion. Meron daling din lemon. Ayan, syempre lemon. And then garlic. And of course, ayan ang ating ingredients is honey. And so, mayroon tayong bote dito guys. Dito natin siya ilalagay, no? So, ayan. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano siya. Pero doon po, kung nakasubscribe na po kayo sa aking channel, maraming salamat po. At doon po sa hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa aking mga ina-upload na video. Ayan. Thank you so much. So, ayun guys. So, gagawin na natin ang ating, ito ang honey. Ang honey na to ay galing ng, galing ng ating Bicol. Ayan. So, meron tayo ditong garapon. So, dito natin siya ilalagay. Of course, ilalagay natin yung lemon. And so guys, so ayan ang ating lemon. Sa ating lagyan natin ng onion, of course. Ilalagay natin ang onion. And the next, garlic. Ayan, lalagay natin ang garlic. So, lalagay natin ang ginger or luya. And of course, ayan, nandyan na yung ating ginger, onion, garlic, and then lemon. And now, ilalagay natin ang ating honey. Ayan, honey guys. So, ano lang natin guys, no, yung hanggang sa matakpan po yung ating yung ating, ayan, hanggang sa matakpan yung ating, ayan. And then, kutsara. Thank you so much. Ayan. So, ayan na siya guys, no. Ayan na ang ating, ayan. Para ka lang nagtitake ng antibiotic niyan guys. So, every day, 1 tablespoon every morning before breakfast or before drinking anything else. Pwede ka mag-inom nito pang 1 tablespoon. Ayan. Every morning. Ayan. So, yan po ang ating homemade antibiotic guys. Try nyo po at siguradong magugustuhan nyo. Good for the health. Ayan, good for the health guys. Thank you so much. Ayan, so guys, dagdagan pa natin ng more ng honey dahil hindi pa po siya, kailangan natin siyang, ayan. Ayan, so, ayan na guys. So, ayan. Ayan, ganyan siya. And then, every morning, 1 tablespoon every morning before breakfast or before drinking anything else. Drink this 1 tablespoon. And it's very good, guys. It's good for the health. Good for anybody in your family. Ayan. Especially sa kids kasi para iwas sakit. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, please don't forget to hit the like and share if you can. Thank you so much, and this is your My Lozada TV. Thank you.